We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
To connect your iPhone or iPad to your TV with a cable, you will need an adapter that can hook your iOS device to the cable, and Apple makes two kinds. The Lightning Digital AV adapter, pictured right, connects your Apple device to your TV's HDMI port.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.